At Leer, our promise is that we're with you every degree of the way. I'm Erik Anderson, Director of Operations and Supply Chain, and just one of many Leer employee owners who are here to make that promise a reality. So on behalf of all of us, thank you, and we truly appreciate your continued loyalty and support. This year we've been updating all things manufacturing, from our manufacturing employees to the products we produce. We've continually increased our workforce, and in doing so, we've strengthened both first and second shifts. And we've added dedicated maintenance personnel for our large production equipment, including our Salvagnini and our site. With our expanded workforce, we also had to expand our manufacturing capabilities. We've expanded our R290 capabilities to meet the increased demand caused by additional states implementing environmental policies and R290's superior performance. R290 is an eco-friendly refrigerant with minimal ozone depletion and global warming potential. This year, we've added an additional Salvagnini P4 Lean CNC panel bender, the state-of-the-art in panel bending. This is how we accomplish our crisp, fastener-free seams. With greater demand for large capacity ice merchandisers and transports, we've added our site automated foaming fixture. This assures clean corners, crisp lines, and straight walls. Lastly, we've listened to your feedback. With the help of our larger site, we're pleased to announce the launch of our new 5x10 transport. With true 5x10 capacity, it'll hold 2 full pallets of ice. It's also got a powerful scroll compressor and is available with a custom trailer option. There would be no Leer without you, our customers. And on behalf of all of the employee owners at Leer, thank you.
Thank you from Scott from Quality.
Thank you, Cassie, CDU installed.
Thank you from Mike and Transport.
Thank you from Sheet Metal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you from Kimberly and Transport.
Thank you for your continued loyalty.